What we do for the applicator is we provide total solution on the floor. Once you're completed with it, you're going to have an extremely hard, durable, high gloss floor with low maintenance. One of the first things you want to do is site condition survey. You need to find out what you're dealing with on the surface. If you've determined that you have got defects in the floor, you have two options. You can mechanically remove them, or you can also remove them chemically. We have got all types of cleaning and preparatory products that can take care of anything that's going to show up on a floor. As you can see in this project, we've determined that there's nothing on the floor, and our applicator proceeded with their initial grind. The initial grind of the floor is kind of like sanding a piece of wood. So you need to follow a sequence of steps. If you start with a 50, you need to go to the 100, then to the 200. What you're trying to do when you're grinding is create a level surface. After you have finished your 200 grind or your 220, or wherever you've been determined to, you're going to proceed with the application of stains. You want to start by spraying the stain onto the floor and let the microfiber pad work that product evenly on the floor. Hello, my name is Joe Reardon. I am Prozico's Concrete Products Group Specialist. I'm here today to show you how the Consolidex system works.
What we're going to do today is we're going to apply LS. Like I said, we've got a floor. It's been brought up to 200 grit resin, ready for densification. Real simple application, guys.
We're applying this anywhere between 700 to 1,000 square feet per gallon, depending on the surface that you're dealing with. We've got the product being applied with a pump-up sprayer, and what I'm doing is I'm moving the product around to spread it out evenly with a microfiber pad. We're trying to spread the LS product out evenly on the floor and allow it to dry to the surface. The benefits of the LS floor, not only are you going to have a harder, denser surface, but you're able to get on that floor once it's dry. You're not having to wait for the product to dry, you're not having to rinse the floor, you're able to get right back on it and finish your polish. Polishing an LS floor, the floor gets extremely hard, extremely fast, so your polish is going to come up extremely fast. Now that you've got your floor dried and clean, you can apply the LS guard material. What you're looking for here is a nice, thin coat of guard on the floor. You can achieve the same shine on the floor by stopping at a 400 and applying the LS guard that you can by going all the way up to 3,000. Now here's the key with the guard. The guard has got to be set. We require you to burnish the LS guard with a high-speed propane burnisher. This is key for setting the guard. Once you've applied 1 to 3 coats of guard, burnished and set in between each one, you're open to foot traffic as soon as you're done. So you're able to get into a project, get out of a project, move on to the next project. So really when you come to use a Consolidex line, you're really getting from the beginning to the end.